It was a huge milestone for us today.
Tony Martinez of Granite Excavation and Demolition let KRON 4 get this first look of where his crew has been working. The stairs I'm walking down now used to look like this, and that patio you see in front is now gone. For 2 days, workers have been busy removing dirt from behind this retaining wall. Before the landslide, this area used to be a patio, and the dirt went all the way up to the top of that wall. All that dirt was creating a lot of undue pressure on the hill below.
We have to unload that wall. I mean, there was a lot of pressure on that wall, so we had to relieve it. And now that we've relieved the load on that wall, we don't need that wall there anymore.
Starting tomorrow, crews are going to be sawing out sections of this wall and removing them with this crane. The sections to be removed are already marked with red paint. The part of the wall beneath sections 9 through 5 will stay. But from the point where it says demo to where it says number 1, workers will remove the entire wall. And while the wall is coming down, another team will begin digging a 20-foot pit right here.
So the geotechs can go down there, and what they're going to do is they're just going to determine that the ground around it is stable, so we can further yellow tag the rest of the building.
That pit will take about 10 days to finish. This progress is good news for the people neighboring the slide, like Bob Anderson here, who raises his glass to the excavation crew. But it will be 10 long days for those residents in this part of the building that is still red tagged. In San Francisco,